Hello students, welcome to the moral science class. Today let us start a new lesson, lesson 19, rights and duties. Rights and duties are closely related and cannot be separated from one another. Rights and duties go hand in hand. For every right, there is a corresponding duty. As citizens, there exists a wide range of duties that bind us in everyday life. Everyone these days is very conscious of his or her rights, but very few are interested in performing their duties in proper ways. Home is the place where a child learns about rights and duties first. To be loved, cared for, proper guidance, proper food, etc. are the rights of a child. All parents do their duties to the best of their abilities. One important duty of the parent is to make a child aware of his or her duty towards everyone at home. Each child must know that obedience, discipline, cleanliness, and returning of the love of family members are his or her duties. If they learn all of this at home, they will be very good students in school and good citizens later. As grown-ups or citizens of India, we will continue performing our duties throughout our life and will not allow anyone to take away our rights. So let us discuss the lesson in detail. There are certain rights that are given to us by the Constitution. These rights are called fundamental rights. Every right carries a duty along with it. For example, our Constitution has given us the right to worship where we want to and in the way we want to. But it is also our duty to allow others to worship the way we want to. See here, what is Constitution? You might have studied in civics about right and duties. A constitution is a body of rules that determines the outline, structure, and functions of the government. These rights are called fundamental rights. We know that ours is a country in which all religions enjoy equal freedom and respect. The country does not favor any religion. Most of us are aware of our rights, but very few remember our corresponding duties. These duties are given to us by the Constitution and are called fundamental duties. The duties given to us by the Constitution are called fundamental duties. We know our duties and rights, but many of us neglect it. But it is our responsibility to do our duty given to us by the Constitution to promote the idea of harmony in a land of diversity and to strengthen the nation. Let us find out how many of you are aware of these duties. Write your answers to the questions asked in the bubbles shown. Let us discuss some of the duties. I hope all of you know about it, as you already learned the fundamental rights and duties in civics. The first one is the duty of every citizen to respect our Constitution, which can be shown by giving proper respect to the national flag and national anthem. Yes, we stand in attention when we hear the national anthem. In school or in any function, when the national anthem will sing, everyone stand in attention. Then second duty is, do you make fun of your friends belonging to other religions and cultures? Never. We respect other religions and culture. As I said earlier, nothing should be done to incite reaction among the followers of other religion. Third duty, are you loyal to your friends? When your friend or neighbor is in difficulty, do you help them? We are loyal to our friends and neighbors. When someone needs help, people are ready to help each others. The next duty is, do you help to keep your school and neighborhood clean? If we realize that this is our country and we have to protect and improve its natural environment, and all of us do our part, then very soon there would be marked improvement in our environment. Yes, it is our duty to protect the natural environment, including rivers, lakes, forests, wildlife, etc. Next duty is, do you have friends with bad habits? If yes, then do you encourage them to leave their bad habit? Often we try to understand the bad habit of others and try to help them to leave the bad habits. If we find that our friends with the bad habits, we will advise them to leave up that habit. If all of us do our duties sufficiently, then our country would certainly become a better place to live in. Nothing can be got without paying price. If we want certain rights, we will have perform certain duties also. Every right implies a duty. These duties will make us good and responsible citizens. So we should aware of our duties. Now, what does this lesson teach us? This lesson just remind us our rights and duties. Therefore, we must be aware of our rights and duties. Thank you, children.